All right, let's get in some breaking news coming in from the United States, where the U.S. Department of Justice has forcefully defended its decision to abandon the criminal case against Gautam Adani and 7 others, telling a federal judge the prosecution was legally flawed, diplomatically counterproductive, and inconsistent with the Trump administration's enforcement's priority. In a sharply worded 10-page filing, the DOJ said that the case should have been dropped a year ago or never brought in the first place, arguing that the court had only a limited role in reviewing its decision to dismiss the charges with prejudice. The filing came after U.S. District Judge Nicholas Garofis asked the department to explain why it was seeking to permanently dismiss the indictment, calling its earlier motion terse, bland, and conclusory. Let me go across to my colleague Brian Thomas with more on this. Brian, take us through this defense that the U.S. Department of Justice is doing of its decision to abandon the criminal case against Gautam Adani.
Very importantly, this is a major relief for Gautam Adani from the U.S. In a strongly worded submission before a federal court. The U.S. Department of Justice has said that the criminal case against Gautam Adani and 7 others should never have been brought, and has urged the judge to dismiss all charges permanently with prejudice, meaning that they cannot be revived in the future. Not only that, the DOJ also argued that he alleged conduct was overwhelmingly centered in India and had limited U.S. jurisdiction. And also, very importantly, it said that it had no evidence of financial losses to investors, and described the original prosecution as legally flawed and inconsistent with current enforcement priorities. Very importantly, this is a major relief that has been seen, where the U.S. Department of Justice has made it very clear that these charges have no value and they have been permanently dismissed and will also no longer be revived in the very near future. Yes.
All right. Thank you so much, Brian, for all those updates.